Oops, let's check what we got here. My what? Ooh la la. It's upside down. I got my 80 CF from welding company. I love the size. Let's check. 01 S43 01 YouTuber USA 01. It's last year. This is perfect for what I need compared to this big one. This is 200 cubic feet and I only need 80. It's a brand new, guys. Brand new. Dated 01. And this one 2015 DOT 2015 exchange bottle, and this one is 01. Today is January. 01, where's the year? 15. It's a brand new. 2021. That's the year 2021. 05. Year 2021 05. Okay, I got this one today, January 2022. So which one you like better? 200 cubic feet or the 80 CF? I got the small one there, but that one is only 20 cubic feet. Now I got 80. Let's fill it up, guys. Let's fill it up today.